everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is the end of the night. It's literally almost midnight. It's been quite a long day. This weekend I'm actually driving up to Sequoia with Kenny's family because it's his niece's birthday. But we actually just got news that our campsite just got cancelled. But since we already made all these plans and there's like a ton of us going, we decided to settle for a dispersed camping, which means we're not going to be staying at an actual campsite. It's just kind of like land that you're allowed to stay at. So that also means there's not going to be like any bathrooms and washing stations. So yeah, but I wanted to show you guys what I pack. I was going to do like a whole official like sit down video for this, but because the situation of the campsite is a little unknown because like it's not what we were typically planning to do, I'm packing a little extra just to make sure I'm okay. So let me take you to my bed, which has my whole spread of everything that I packed. I'm gonna have my mini Herschel backpack. That's gonna be like my go-to bag. And then I have this duffel from Calpak. It's empty right now. Everything's spread out here. But I really enjoyed this duffel because it's super spacious. There's a lot of room up here. This is basically the size of like a small sports gym bag, but it also has this bottom compartment. It's actually supposed to be for shoes, but I'm just using it for like my clothes right now so I can put like my other stuff on top, and because I'm not really bringing extra shoes. But I do have some flip-flops because we might be staying near a lake, so in case I want to like put my feet in the water, I'll have flip-flops to walk in afterwards. I have one pair of shorts in here in this like smaller packing cube, which I love. I have sleepy clothes, clean clothes, socks, undies, and an extra shirt. Down here I have a hoodie that I rolled up into like this ball, a face towel for when I wash my face, beach towel for like sitting around, or again in case I decide to dip my feet in the water. These are some joggers from Ebates. I'm actually going to be wearing these on the ride up because it will be nighttime by the time we get to the campsite, so it'll be cold, so saving those shorts for the daytime. And then over here I have a North Face rain jacket. This is actually a tri-weather jacket, but I took off the top layer so I could use it in case it's like windy or something. This is actually brand new. I just got this a few days ago. This is a hat from REI. I have a cooling towel. Don't know if it's gonna be hot yet, but I like to bring it just in case. This is my headlamp for when it gets dark. This is just an extra rolled up bag in case I need to carry anything. Battery charger, camera charger, some sunscreen, bug spray, body things. So I have some feminine wipes here, body wipes, a heated eye mask, waterproof case for if I get wet. This is my toiletry bag from Calpak. Yes, this is different from my last toiletry bag video, so if you guys are interested in an updated one, let me know. This is my makeup bag. This is from Longchamp. And then, like I mentioned, I have my mini backpack filled with snacks and skincare stuff. I have some sunscreen in here, a facial spray, my wallet, sunglasses, essentials, and that is my iPad. I'm not bringing it because I have brought it the past few weekends and ended up not using it. For shoes, other than the flip-flops, I'm just bringing a pair of Ultra Boost. And then over here are just some snacks and entertainment things that I'm bringing along with me. This is my brand new pill case or like vitamin organizer. Obviously, it's not only just for the weekend, but it comes in a set of 7 and you can pretty much like detach these and just choose which days you want to take along with you if you're going on a trip. And then this is my Mer cup. This is what I usually bring with me camping because it's insulated, so it keeps my drinks like extra hot or extra cold. In here I just have a few tea packets along with some kind of random but miso soup packets. These are salted chocolate stroop waffles from GU, and they are so delicious. And then these are the Project 7 gourmet gummies. They're made with organic sweeteners. Not sure how healthy they are, but They taste honestly so good. I'm going to be bringing my Switch, which is in here in this very dirty case, excuse it. I have a Switch Lite, and I'm not planning on using this the whole weekend, but the only game I have is Animal Crossing, and I need to do my dailies, so it's coming along with me. And then this is one of the newer books that I recently bought. It's a really quick read, but this is from a YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Jasmine Lipska, and she's just like a very sweet and positive person, and she came out with this book. So I'm hoping to just kind of go through this weekend. I think it'll be a really good place to read out in nature and just manifest really good thoughts. So that's pretty much everything that I'm packing this weekend. Anyway, I'm going to shower because I'm so tired and my hair stinks. And then I'm probably gonna do a little time lapse of me packing, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow after work. Hello, good afternoon. We're here at Kennedy Meadows doing dispersed camping, and I'm walking back to our tent to wake up Lauren. We ended up getting a spot like further from like the rest of the group because there's a lot of us. So yeah, this is our spot. It's already 6:30 p.m. and the sun has finally gone down. It is finally cooling down. We just ended up moving our campsite. Us, Nat, Lauren, and Kenny's mom. We used to be up there, in that spot, but it's like quite a ways from our campsite. Like everyone else is over there, and we were all the way over there. But now we moved here. This was just a little bit closer and there's like more trees. Last night there was already someone here, so we couldn't take that and we were left over there. Yeah, I just spent some time like freshening up. You guys saw I like blotted my face because I was so oily, freshened up a bit, and then played some Animal Crossing, did my dailies, and now we are going to help Nat with dinner. He's making Thai food.
I'm trying to perform a birth.
Huh?
want some pad thai?
Do you want me to do a trick?
Okay.
Here, catch. Ready?
Wait, what? No. Wait, no. Look at that beauties. Can you push my hair back? Oh.
Make me.
No. No. It's probably not even gonna make the cut.
What is this?
Don't do that.
What is this bloody?
Yeah.